This Legere Reed was gifted to me by one of my saxophone teachers more than 10 years ago. This is actually a 15-year-old or more Legere Reed for alto saxophone. It is in perfect condition, and I've used it for the last few years still, just because I know that it's so reliable. And it's always in perfect condition. I never have to change my embouchure. I just slap it on and it'll play exactly like I expect it to play. Now, I was always skeptical because it's not wood, it doesn't sound quite the same. But you would be surprised. When I play this, nobody even realizes that I'm playing on something that's not bamboo, right? Or not, a wood or reed sounding instrument. Nobody's going to tell. That's one of the reasons why it's my favorite reed to work with, because I don't have to spend any time sorting through reeds and determining, how even is the grain, is this perfectly in the perfect shape. It's always there. It's always perfect. It's always symmetrical. I've never had problems with this reed, and this is 15 years old now. Skip getting a whole new box of reeds and just get one of these that will last you for over a decade. Even if you don't want to make the switch, just have this as a spare in your saxophone kit so that it can save you for when you run out of reeds one day, because you will. I really have nothing but good things to say about this reed. The only cons I would say is that it is transparent, so you can see through a bit of saliva, which doesn't look great, but you know what? It's underneath the mouthpiece, so you're not even going to see it. The only other thing that you should be prepared for when you get this reed is that people will ask you about it. That's all. It's just a conversation piece. Get a good tone, get a reliable feel to your horn, and play how you expect it to play each and every single time. As long as you're willing to have that conversation with people, then go ahead. Get it. There's nothing to it. Have you ever had a reed that has lasted for 15 years? This one.